Hi friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This video is about how to prepare on holidays, how to prepare on Sunday. You may ask, sir, why to prepare on holidays? Why to prepare on Sunday? We want to enjoy on Sunday. We want to enjoy our holiday. But actual point is successful people always knows that how to utilize their time. If you want to be successful, you must know how to utilize your time properly. Okay. However, this is a study plan on Sunday. In this plan, majority of the time is for entertainment only. Let's see how this plan works. Watch this video till the end to understand the plan properly. First point. Generally, what mistakes student will do on holiday or on Sunday? Generally, most of the students, they'll wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. That is the problem. But what we will do, listen this carefully. On a holiday, everyone will wake up at 8 o'clock. But what you do, you wake up at 4 o'clock on Sunday. Do not worry, I'll give sufficient time for the sleep also. Morning 4 o'clock you wake up, study up to 8 o'clock. 4 hours study time you are getting, right? Actually, morning 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock are known as golden hours. Vibration levels will be very low and you can focus very nicely. In the evening time, what you can study in 2 hours, in the morning time, the same subject you can study in 1 hour. That much focus levels will be there in the morning time and you will be very fresh. Now, morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. It's your time. It's your turn. Whatever you want, you do. If you want to watch TV, yes, watch TV. If you want to watch movies, watch movies. If you want to play games, yes, go and play games. If you want to meet your older friends, go and meet and chat with them. Whatever you want, you do. If you want to use your mobile, if you want to spend time with your mobile, you spend. If you want to sleep 2-3 hours extra, you sleep. When morning 8 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. you will get 10 hours time. What you like, you do it and refresh. In the evening 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, again you study another 2 hours. So morning you studied 4 hours and evening you studied 2 hours and total 6 hours study plan. 6 hours on a holiday is a good amount of time for the preparation, isn't it? Yes. And you are refreshing. Morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, 10 hours time is there. You will be fed up with the things whatever you want to do. If you want to watch movies, can you watch movies continuously from morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock? You will be bored with that. If you want to play, you will be tired. If you want to sleep, you will be bored with the sleeping. Right? However, whatever you like, you do in those 10 hours. And at the end of the day, you are studying 6 hours. 10 hours you plan for entertainment. How nice plan it is. Now it's time for implementation of the plan. The problems will occur while implementation of the plan. To start the program, to implement the program, you inform your plan on Sunday to your friends, to your family, to your brothers. Why to inform? In case if you fail to follow that plan, they'll see you like anything. So, first thing is you inform your plan to your parents or your friends and your family members, brothers, sisters, whoever it is. A little bit of fear will be there. In case if I didn't follow this plan, my friends will ask what you studied, my family members will ask. You just simply, this fellow only talks, no action, like that they'll say. Right? When you keep alarm for 4 o'clock, as soon as alarm rings, what the things will do generally, we'll switch off the alarm and we'll go back to the bed. How sad it is. See, that is the first attempt you are doing in the day. That is the purpose of keeping alarm. You want to wake up and you want to study further. So you give suggestion to yourself, I don't want to be failure in the first attempt of a day. You keep your alarm at least 10 feet away from you, and so that you can wake up and you can move over there and you can switch off. As soon as alarm you switch off, you face wash and sit in front of your study table. Okay, once you are ready to study, sit in front of the table. Next point, what to study. Actually, one day before, that means in the last night before going to bed, you plan what you want to study from morning 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, so that no question mark will arise when you sit in front of the table. In this 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, how to plan? Generally, what mistakes students will do, I'll complete one trigonometry chapter full. I'll complete integration chapter full. Like that they'll plan. It works for very few people, not for all the people. You just plan like this. You plan to study 15 minutes first. Suppose you 15 minutes, suppose 2 problems are possible to study in 15 minutes. Yes, I'll study these 2 problems in 15 minutes. As soon as you complete those 2 problems in that 15 minutes or 3 problems, it depends upon number of problems, not only 2 problems. If 1 problem only possible, you do 1 problem only. In case any question it required 30 minutes time, you give 30 minutes time for 1 question. But the important thing is small amount of goal you keep. You keep your goal for 15 minutes. Definitely it works. You try it you just try it once. Your plan is to study 3 problems in that 15 minutes. Once you completed that 3 problems in 15 minutes, you just celebrate yourself. Say, Shabash, very good. Keep it up. You can do like that. Next, plan for next 15 minutes. How much amount of questions is possible? Keep it as small as possible. Keep it as small as possible so that you can achieve it very easily. Once you achieve your goal, you appreciate yourself. Say like this, yes, I did it. Yes, it is good. It gives some kick to you, right? So like that, plan for first 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, next 15 minutes. So 3 15-minute slots are over. That means 45 minutes is over. So this is the plan for 1 hour. That 1 hour plan we divide into 4 parts. First 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, next 15 minutes. Last 15 minutes, you revise what you learn in first 45 minutes. Because revision is important. Many students do this mistake. They do not revise what they studied. Because of that, they will fail to present properly in examination. Presentation is important. Our education system is like that. Suppose if you say to the examiner, I know the Pythagoras theorem is, he won't believe. He believe that you write in an answer sheet. I'll see it and I'll give the marks. Then only I'll believe that you know the Pythagoras theorem. Our education system is like that. We need to reproduce the things what we learn on the paper. Right? So, first 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, next 15 minutes. 45 minutes study, last 15 minutes, revision program. Like that, you plan for second hour, plan for third hour, plan for fourth hour. Like that, morning 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. If you prepare like that, you never feel bored because you are planning for 15 minutes only. As soon as you achieve that 15 minutes program, you will get some energy to continue further. You always give self-suggestions to yourself. Yes, well done. Keep it up. Keep going. Like that, you give suggestions to yourself. Just do it. This type of suggestions works very fine. Distractions. Our mind plays with us. If something difficult question comes, our mind will goes to some other place. What to do today after 8 o'clock? What we'll plan? In what way we will enjoy? Like that. In the afternoon, what to eat? Like that. Such type of unnecessary things will come to you. Mind will distract. In this distraction, if you keep mobile phone very nearer to you, immediately you will open it. There will be definitely some messages will be there. You will open that messages. You will see what is the status. You will check your Facebook status. Everything you will check. Simply you are checking what is going on. If you see that what is time now, the time 8 o'clock will be over. So biggest distraction for the students nowadays is mobile. You just switch off and give it to your father. Don't give mobile to me until tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. Like that you inform. Yes, it works. So morning 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, avoid all the distractions. You remember that. Ups and downs commons to everyone. First 1 hour you may not study properly. But there is a chance that in second hour you can focus very well. First 1 hour you studied very nicely. There is a chance that second hour you may not study that much effectively. But never lose the hope. You stick to your plan. Study 4 hours at a stretch. Morning 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Study at a stretch 4 o'clock. You believe or not, wonders will happen if you study 4 hours continuously. Yes, believe me. You try it once. Wonders will happen if you study continuously 4 hours. On Sunday, you give self-suggestion to yourself. Strictly, I am going to follow this plan. This really works very fine because you are getting 6 hours study time, 10 hours enjoyment, 8 hours for sleeping time. If you want, you check. I hope these preparation tips are helpful to you to plan your holiday in such a way that you prepared very well and you enjoy very well and you will sleep very well.